that shit up, man. Man, YouTube, man. Oh my gosh, bro. I think this tire butts right here. I don't know how, bro. And then all of a sudden, it just swerved to the left. I mean, swerved to the left. Then it hit the like one of these, the neutral ground, man. I hit the front tire right here too, man. Ain't no way, bro. Ain't no way, bro. Ain't no way, bro. Hit that. I think this one bust. I don't know how it's bust though, son. All I heard is boom, and it swerved. I swerved and I hit that bit. Boom. Oh man. So blow right. You said? Bro.
Ride with two of those in the back, two of your 22s in the front right now. Look like a drag pack still. You know what I mean?
Suspension. Yeah. I hit that sucker hard, bro. Like, you know, it's right here, like, so, you know what I'm saying? It was just easy to, like, that was just too easy. It felt like I ain't had no type of traction.
Yeah. Oh, that's weird.
Recalibrate hitting it.
On the front. Right there, huh? Let me see. Put it back. Take the back one, put it in the front. Put this one in the back side. Brake caliper smaller in the back.
What, that one bigger? That tire bigger? It's the same size.
Yeah, these are.
You talking about that other tire over there?
Yeah, I don't know yet.
Yeah, I was thinking about that too.
It's the only thing you can do. But now you gotta put something back on this bitch so we can jack the back on it. Or, you know, gotta get it out the way. But I almost sit on the side of the road for now. About 3 of them on there. Oh, 2 fucking ain't going, bro.
That's crazy, bro.
scared too though. When it heat, it like to that shit like to explode. That's why they be telling you gotta fix that shit.
Yeah. But that's a new tire. That's all I was saying.
I know, I understand that, but the leak will cause that bitch to get an egg. If the egg don't just create in the tire, yeah, just bust.
I'm glad I wasn't going fast, bro.
What? Control this bitch up. Up in another side of the lane.
I almost went.
Yeah. That's what you hit, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, he's got to hold the other tire fit in the front. Put your light on. Put your light on right here. Ooh. I don't think that bitch hit me, but it's so close.
Look at my shot.
How close it is? Yeah, that don't go nowhere though. Watch when I'm done, put your finger behind it. See how much room you got. Got that couple pieces of paper. The tire moved on me, it ain't going nowhere.
So we good? Come on. Just trying to get this bit home.
Yeah, we good.
I'm gonna put all these tools up right quick. Got the keys again? Oh, I got it.
Feel like your wheel alignment fucked.
What's this? Oh, when it turn red, then you go.
Then you go. Yeah. It stop on its own?
Stop when, yeah, right there. Oh, it look like my alignment. Fuck, son. Bro, YouTube, I don't even know what to say though, bro. I don't even know what to say, son. Real rap, I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say. Yeah, something fucked on it. Man, I really hit it, son. Really hit that thing, bro. Oh, man, my power steering messing up. ABS sensors on. Traction control off. Ain't no way, bro. Alright, what's up, YouTube? It's a couple days later, so I'm gonna let y'all know what's going on. As you can see, look at my tire. This front tire is leaning that way. And you can see the back one is going straight. So something messed up in the suspension. And I ordered all my control arms for it. I did both sides. And then I got my shocks. Then I got some rims coming in. Might as well get it right. The other ones right here. This the front tire, that's the back tire. So I hit all this. This is bad right here. It's not that bad, but that's bad though. I hit that sucker. Look at all that. It's crazy, man. And this one blew out. I guess it had an egg in it. My stupid self won't ride it. Ride. If you see an egg in your tire, make sure you change it because it will pop. It's like an egg in a bag basketball. You keep on bouncing, it's go pop. But right now, I'm waiting for my parts to come in. Man, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe for some more videos. When the parts come, we gonna do a whole video of me putting the parts on it. And then go show you new rims on this bad boy. You hear me?